I'm your girl Purple, and this week's hotter road mixtapes are Underground by DJ Kenny, Clock Time by DJ Kenny, Freedom Street by Don Kingston, Bring It Back by Don Kingston, I'm your girl Purple, and this week's new releases are This Me Da Tell You About by Climax, Girls Gone Wild by Numbers, Digital Sham Show No Love, Time by Semorja Naki, Did It Again by Sean Storm and Medi, This week's primetime showcases are Show No Love by Digital Sham,
See careful how your friends be. Bitch and success in my life, it evidently. I know for me killer them never live it past 20. I forward from one shirt, one pants. Yes, so one of them me I forgive thanks. Know about back juice, front board cheese.
Rat Race by DellyRanx.
Big like a job. Every time we touch a cat, it is a job well done. Alright. We are lock place, we are lock place. Anywhere we go, we lock place, we are lock place. Never in a rat race, we are lock place. Anybody violate, I go see face. We are lock place, we are lock place.
I'm your girl Purple, and I'm asking you one favor, just one. Follow me on Instagram at premium_purple.